Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to buy Solana meme coins with your Phantom wallet. So the first thing you'll have to do is load up and have Solana in your wallet, of course. So here's Solana. So it's either you'll have to deposit into your account by scanning the QR code or copying the address, or you can buy some, and we have a tutorial on how to do that. So go check that out. So the first thing you'll have to do is press the swap button right here, and we already have a token that you want to swap into. So that's how it basically works. So let's actually do it again. So here, let's actually go ahead and clear that out. Next, we'll just search Brett right here. So Brett is going to be ready for us. So Brett in the base network via Ethereum. Let's copy that address. And then all you have to do is paste it right here in the swap menu. So here, Brett, and then it's unverified or it's not really a actual token. So this one's a scam token that we got. So this is not the one we're looking for. So let's actually just go ahead and use Pudgy right here, Pudgy the Penguin. So once you have done that, you will have to use your Solana to swap into the certain token that you want. Let's just say you want to do 10 Solana, which is around $1,800, and then you want to swap it into Pengu, you can do so. So you have to account your slippage, your price impact, and your fees. And then all you have to do is press the swap button right here. So if you don't have sufficient funds, you will have to load up like I've said in the start of the video. And that's how you actually buy Solana meme coins with your Phantom wallet. And it's just that simple. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.